What up, YouTube? Showing you my new moped. This 2000 Honda Elite. We're right here at the homie's pad with all his mopeds. You already know how to bring it here. This is my new moped. I'm gonna get rid of those lights, so don't even, you feel me? But I'm just showing y'all, this is how I got it, you feel me? It's clean. I bought it for the low, you know. Got it, you know, barely running. That shit barely runs. So we better clean it up, get that shit running, put some mods on it. Only really mod is guys is the seat with the bride. That shit's nice, and lights. They took out that shit, put the stump bars. That's the only mods they got. The motor's all stock. AF16, the motor that you want, you feel me? AF16E, you see it. It ain't no AF05 junk. It's that good shit. Focus, goddamn. So yeah, you see it. It comes with the little rack, the regular US tail light. It's a Honda Elite 2000 stock pipe with the little blower. So y'all see it. This is my new moped. Check it out. Check it out. Forgot. Let me see. I already forgot how you started. Oh yeah, that's right here. I'm tripping. That's just funny. I ain't gonna tell you how this works, but that shit's on. And then you just kickstart it, but I ain't trying to kickstart it right now because it's inside the garage. But boom, boom. And it's gonna be a bitch to start because it's cold. But I already ran it outside. So planning on doing some mods to this shit. Want to make it to wheelie. I'm gonna take out those lights, like I said, and build up the motor to wheelie. So let's get it. The dog. What up, YouTube? Today we got the moped out. We're finna try to take these lights off. I got my own custom light I can put right there. So I'm gonna put the light right there. Whenever I do need a light, don't feel really need it too much. We're gonna add that, and then I got some new parts for the moped today. We got a new throttle cable, a new carb that I just checked the jets, make sure what jets it had in it. It's an Oco PWK 24 carb, and I got some badass Naruku manifold for that big power with the big carb. So this needs to go. Oh yeah, this needs to go in the motor. So right now we got to take all the plastics off of the motor just to throw this shit on because that's deep into there. So we'll show you that in a second. Gotta take all this shit off. Good luck to us. Check it out, check it out. Got the bike a little apart, now it's back in. But that's the old manifold and carb. Little baby ass carb. But check out the front end. This is what I just took off. Look how nice and sleek that shit looks now. No more headlight. If I do need a headlight, like I said, I could just strap my little custom built one right here to the handlebars. Boom. That's a little carb. And the pad, got the lights. It's looking. Old manifold off, that's where we're putting the new one. This is how she's looking now. We'll put it back together a little bit. I need to put the other panels. I got it right there. Yeah. So we put the carb, the manifold, the jets. We need to change out the jets because the jets are too big for the 50cc unless I had a 70cc. This is for this. So we're just test fitting the gas can. The shit fits perfect, closes. So that's dope. So I need to get some different jets for that carb. We'll be good. We're just doing a little warm up on this one. Thought I had that temperature gauge.